Hello, Starseeds. Isis Maura, Trans Teravan. This is going to be a reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Ascending. As a reminder, these are general readings and may not resonate with everyone. If the reading does resonate, be sure to hit a like button, send me a comment, let me know what you're thinking. If it does not resonate, be sure to check out your Moon and Ascending signs. Those readings may resonate more with you at this time. Alright, Aquarius. You know by now we are doing... What are we doing today? The Celtic Cross spread. Looking into past, present, future. Main obstacles. Strengths. Surrounding energy. Main focus. Hopes and fears. And most likely outcome. Then we will get advice from the universe on moving forward. And close it off with messages and guidance from ancestors. Okay, Aquarius. Been trying to catch up on these readings. Been working on moving things around in the van, getting things set up. All about preparation. Okay. Aquarius. So let's see what's been going on with you as of late. Alright. Looking into the sign of Aquarius. Sun, Moon, and Ascending. Looking into past, present, and future. What energies are surrounding Aquarius at this time? Okay. Aquarius. Show me the current energies surrounding Aquarius at this time. What are the current energies surrounding Aquarius? Okay, Aquarius, current energies. You have the Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, reversed. Okay. Main obstacle, the Chariot. Okay, finding your way through the chaos. Recent past energy, you have the Sun card, Leo energy. In the Strengths position, you have the Star card reversed. Okay. Future energies coming in, the Nine of Cups. In your main focus, you have the Four of Swords reversed. In the surrounding energy, the Knight of Wands. All right, message of passion moving forward and creativity. And then you also had the Ace of Wands. So it's looking like you trying to go forward with your passions, your happiness, needing to rest your mind, be in the moment. And in the Strength position, you have the Star card, Aquarian energy, but in the reverse. So it could be you've made the decision to go after your passions, but there could be a problem making decisions moving forward with that Chariot card and finding your way through. Hopes and fears for Aquarius moving forward through these energies. Oh, we got two. In the hopes and fears, you have the Tower and the Six of Wands, both coming out sideways. So it's like you're on the fence. So this is the crumbling of a foundation to build anew. It's recognition, celebration for a job well done. Okay, Aquarius, what are you up to? Most likely outcome moving forward. Most likely outcome, the 8 of Swords. That's self-sabotage, a feeling of being stuck, but it's just overthinking. And in your main focus, you also had that 4 of Swords reverse, which is needing to lay down the pain, the strife, the overthinking, and go with the Ace of Wands, that truth. Overall energy, the 10 of Swords reversed, which speaks of the closing of cycles, being mentally overwhelmed and done. Bottom of the deck, the 4 of Wands reversed. Portals opening, the opportunity to step into your passions, your creativity, and your power. And you also had that Knight of Wands in the surrounding energy, this message of passion and creativity going forward. Okay, what's going on, Aquarius? All right, major arcanas. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcanas, Aquarius. You have the Sun card, the Chariot, and then you have the Star reversed and the Tower that came out like sideways on that borderline. So the Sun card in the recent past, that's Leo energy. It's going towards your happiness, your passions. It's having that spark, that muse. It's the fun beginning of the journey. It's like going after what you want. Now in your main obstacle, you have the Chariot, which is a catapult forward. It's everything working together to get to the same destination, finding your way through the chaos and just holding on for dear life. And then in your hopes and fears, you have that Tower and the 6 of Wands. So it's looking like a fear of recognition, a fear of starting over, rebuilding. But in your strengths, you do have that Aquarian energy, the Star. But it's also in reverse because your main focus with that overthinking and you feeling stuck, it's self-sabotage, Aquarius. The only thing in your way right now, Aquarius, is you. Because it's looking like everything is lined up for you to go after your passions and your happiness in the future. That 9 of Cups, it's being self-sufficient, happy with your emotions in the moment and being able to share these emotions with others. But there's this, it's looking like a fear of recognition and celebration. And it's you overthinking this. Okay. So let's look into the overall energy with that 10 of Swords, which is, it's a completion. It's an ending of a mental cycle. It's being just overwhelmed and done and needing to move away from it. That's why in your main focus, you have that 4 of Swords. It's laying down the pain and strife and going with truth, but it's looking like we are having some issues doing this, Aquarius. Because you also have that Star card in reverse in your strengths, and this is you. Okay, let's see. But it's looking like you trying to go after your passions, your creativities, trying to live in the moment and be happy and build your own foundation. But it's looking like there's a fear here of doing this, and we will find out why. And then you also have the opportunity to step into this power and your passions, but it's also in reverse. Okay, so let's look into the 10 of Swords. In the overall, that's the ending of this cycle. It's like a mental cycle. It's a way of thinking. It's... Alright. Clarify the 10 of Swords reversed in the overall energies for Aquarius. Why is the 10 of Swords in reverse for Aquarius? Okay, 10 of Swords reversed is clarified by the World card, the 2 of Wands, and the King of Pentacles reversed. The World card speaks of the beginning and ending of cycles. It's time to start a new journey. 2 of Wands is looking out on the land, looking at your options and deciding which path you are going to take moving forward. King of Pentacles reversed is action in the physical. Your job, your home life, your help. So it's looking like you're trying to close out a cycle. But there's some decision that needs to be made on which path you're taking, and you are having trouble making this decision moving forward. And it's looking like it has to do with you building something new and you stepping into recognition, stepping into power. This could be the teacher, the muse. This could be a tarot reader. It's coming into the spotlight. It's like you have the opportunity to do this, but there's a fear of being in the spotlight and stepping into this, Aquarius. Okay. So let's look into the recent past energy. That's the Sun card. This is you going after your happiness, your North Node. It's Leo energy. So it's looking like you may have already decided to do this, but there may be some kind of blockage in the foundation, like a crack in the foundation, and you trying to build something, and you're in this stuck situation. Clarify the Sun card in the recent past energies for Aquarius. Why is the Sun card here for Aquarius? Alright, you pop me in the lip. Okay. The Sun card is clarified by that Nine of Cups, which is in your future energy coming in. This is you being happy with self, being content in the moment, and then being able to share these emotions and connections with others. Okay, then you have the Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, reverse. The Two of Pentacles is balance, yin and yang. It's you trying to balance these two things out, and it's looking like a decision needs to be made on how you're going to move forward. But then you also have that Eight of Cups reversed. Now, upright, Eight of Cups speaks of leaving an emotional connection that no longer serves you anymore. And you also have that Nine of Cups. So it's looking like for you to go after your happiness, it's taking you closing out some kind of cycle, Aquarius, to move away from this Eight of Cups to get into your Nine of Cups. And then you also had that Ten of Swords in the overall, which like mentally overwhelms. Your main focus, Four of Swords reverse, needing to calm and balance yourself. And then even in the outcome, that Eight of Swords, what is holding you back is you, Aquarius. Overthinking, feeling stuck. It's taking off the blindfold and releasing yourself to see the path moving forward. It's like taking off the rose-colored glasses, ending a cycle, because your main obstacle is that Chariot. Finding your way through the chaos. It's balance. It's all these forces working together to get to the same destination. Tell me I don't have anything to drink here. I got a little scratchy froggy in the throat. Here we go. Okay, but now in the current energy, you have this Three of Cups and that Ace of Wands, that opportunity, the seed for a new passionate and creative beginning. But it's in reverse. Action needs to be taken. Because in the overall, you had that Two of Wands. It's looking out on the land, looking at your options and which way you want to go. But you also have that King of Pentacles in reverse, which is action in the physical. So there's a decision that needs to be made, that Two of Pentacles, on which path you're taking. Okay. Now in your current energy, you have this Three of Cups, And the Ace of Wands reversed. Three of Cups, that's your social group. It's a celebration. Could be partying. It could be a three-party situation. But I'm getting more of your surroundings. Because I see you like trying to leave the conflict. It's mental conflict and emotional. Like you're missing something in the emotions and you are trying to find that. Which it's looking like in the future energy coming in, it is coming in where you will be emotionally stable and ready to move forward and share this. But there's also some fear of this tower and this foundation and recognition and being in the spotlight. But you have that star card in your strengths, but we're going to figure out why you are reversed and blocked, Aquarius, and see what can be done to remedy this. All right, so now in your current energy, you got that Three of Cups, Ace of Wands. So let's look into this Three of Cups, because it's looking like you're dealing with the mind and emotion, and it's you trying to close off a cycle and move into your stability with self. Clarify the Three of Cups and the current energies surrounding Aquarius. Why is the Three of Cups here for Aquarius? Three of Cups is clarified by that Sun card, which is in your past. And now you have the Seven of Cups, King of Wands. Okay, this is all about you taking action, Aquarius. The Sun card, that's that Leo energy from your past going after your happiness, your North Node. Seven of Cups is confusion, illusion, and delusion. It's having all these options, being in your emotions, and not knowing what's attainable. It's not being able to make logical decisions because you are so in your mind and emotions, but you are working on closing off this mental cycle, whatever this is. And then the King of Wands is actions on your passions, Aquarius. So it's looking like the problem moving forward is like some decision or some action needs to be taken on what you are doing with this Ace of Wands, this seed. Okay, so let's see what this opportunity is. This Ace of Wands, why is it in reversed? Why is there no action being taken, Aquarius? Okay, the Death card. Change is coming. How are you going to respond, Aquarius? Ace of Wands reversed is clarified by the Death card, the Ten of Wands, and the Page of Cups. Okay. Death card, Scorpio energy. Death waits for no one. So there's this change coming in. Now a decision needs to be made. Ten of Wands, I say it's a burden. It's you're carrying all this, and it's needing to decide whether you are dropping this or building something with this Ten of Wands. It's like you are carrying all this. You now have the opportunity to build, and it is a burden, which is why you have like this Tower and this Six of Wands sideways. It's like a fear of building something and starting your foundation, but it's you overthinking this, Aquarius. Needing to rest your mind, put down the overthinking, and just go with truth. Logical thinking. Then you got that Page of Cups. That is the student learning how to move forward with a new emotional connection. This could also be with self. Okay. So let's look into your main obstacle, which is the Chariot. That's finding your way through the chaos. It's using all this to get to your destination. Clarify the Chariot and the main obstacle for Aquarius moving forward. Why is the Chariot here? Wow. Okay. The Chariot is clarified by Judgment in reverse. The Ace of Swords and the Three of Swords. Okay, Aquarius. The Judgment card, that is a call to take action, Aquarius. But it is in reverse. Now, the reason this is in reverse, you have the Three of Swords, Ace of Swords. That Four of Swords in your main focus. It's putting down the pain, Aquarius, and going with truth. There's something that you are battling moving forward through, and it's some kind of heartbreak and pain, and it's you. I'm getting like the healer again. It's like someone who has gone through trauma, pain, and then it's them finding their way and then having to show others the way through pain, heartbreak. But it's looking like you may still be holding some resentment from your past, or still holding on to some pain that is stopping you from stepping into this position, Aquarius. It's needing to lay down the pain and go with your truth. Because in your strengths position, you have you, the star, Aquarius. But you are blocked. And it is because there is pain and heartbreak. And it's you needing to just put that down. It's turning this Four of Swords from reverse, because this is that Three of Swords, that pain. There's that Ace of Swords, truth. It's being able to put the Three of Swords down and rest it and just go with truth, Aquarius. Okay. So now in your strengths position, you do have that star that is going after your wishes, going after your dreams. This is you stepping into your power, Aquarius. It's the muse. It's a rebirth. But it's needing to end a cycle, Aquarius. Put down the mental conflict. Ugh. Because it's like your mind is blocking your emotions. It's looking like you are harping on some pain, and it's you trying to move away from this. It's self-sabotage. It's you overthinking this. It's like a fear of rebuilding, a fear of stepping into your power, gaining your strength, and being recognized for this. Okay. Clarify the star in reverse in the strength position for Aquarius. Star card reversed is clarified by the moon reverse, which speaks of secrets revealed, everything in the darkness illuminated by the light. It speaks of shadow work. Five of Pentacles is being left out in the cold. Page of Swords, the student learning how to wield that sword of truth. So it's looking like you are trying to actually move forward with this. But it's looking like you're also trying to do this in a different way, Aquarius. Because Five of Pentacles, I say, is a feeling of being left out in the cold, but it's also like going against the grain. It's doing things in an unusual way, like out of the norm. And now you have that moon card reversed, which is also, like I said, it's secrets revealed. It could be intuition. And it's you feeling blocked because you are still trying to learn to move away from heartbreak and pain. But it's looking like it's all in the mind. It's overthinking. It's feeling like it's holding you back and chained, but In your future energy coming in, you have your emotional happiness with self. And then that Page of Cups. That's that new emotional beginning, and it's looking like you trying to actually build something out of that Ace of Wands, trying to plant this, make the change, and go forward with your emotions. But it's learning a new mindset, Aquarius. Like I said, like Aquarians, you are the water bearer. It's like you bring emotion and intuition, but you're also very logical. So it's trying to actually step out of the mind a little bit, tap into the emotion. Don't be surprised if Temperance pops up. That's like staying grounded, but still in your emotions and intuition, still being able to see the path ahead. Okay. Now, in your main focus, you had that Four of Swords. That was putting down this conflict, that heartbreak and pain, and going with truth. Because it's looking like it's a judgment call that needs to be made, Aquarius. And you deciding whether you're going to be able to answer this call. Alright. Clarify the Four of Swords reversed. Main focus for Aquarius. Why is the Four of Swords here? Wow. Four of Swords reversed is clarified by the Tower reversed. It's that foundation crumbling. And it's looking like you're moving away from this, and it's past emotions and connections, Aquarius. So this could be past pain that is keeping you trapped. It's in your main focus as well. It's overthinking your past, Aquarius. And you letting this tower fall. And stepping into power again. I'm getting that feeling of, like I've said, like if you've gone through, like people who have gone through trauma and it becomes a part of them. It's once you heal and remove that, it's finding out who you are without that. So it's looking like a fear of building something and coming into recognition of your power and leaving behind this pain and heartbreak. Because it's part of your core foundation, Aquarius. This is something from your past, like family, friends, your upbringing. This could be past idolizations of self-worth. Clarify the Nine of Cups and the future energy coming in for Aquarius. Why is the Nine of Cups here? Nine of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. And the Queen of Swords came out sideways. So it's trying to balance your emotions and mind, Aquarius. Because the Queen of Wands, that is your passion and emotion. Now this is clarifying the Nine of Cups, your emotional happiness coming in the future. Ace of Cups, the opportunity for a new emotional beginning, which would bring you to your Ten of Cups, your emotional abundance and fulfillment. And then you got this Queen of Swords who came out sideways. Now, the Queen of Swords, I've said she can be very cutthroat. She could be very triggering. She reacts on her emotions. Now, this Ace of Cups, a new emotional beginning. Queen of Wands, your emotions and passions. So it's balancing your emotions and mind. To be able to make logical decisions, to know the path moving forward, and to leave the mental conflict in the past where it belongs, Aquarius. Now in your surrounding energy, you have that Knight of Wands, which is moving forward with your creativity and passions. Clarify the Knight of Wands and the surrounding energy for Aquarius. Knight of Wands is clarified by Justice, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles sideways. Justice, balance. What you put out, you get back. Ace of Pentacles, new physical beginning, but actions need to be taken. Eight of Pentacles is focused work on a task, becoming a master in your class. It's putting the focus into balancing all this to be able to plant this seed so that it will grow. Because you got that Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Ace of... So you have all aces. So the opportunities here, like you also had that Four of Wands, which was the opportunity. Portals open. Son of a bitch. Below that, you have Temperance, Judgment, Ace of Pentacles, and that Fool. Okay. So it's needing to balance emotion and mind. It's being grounded. Temperance, patience. It's answering that judgment call, Aquarius, and taking the leap of faith, knowing God has you, Spirit has you. Okay, what are we at? Okay, 31, 4, balance, stability. And now in your hopes and fears, you got this Tower and this Six of Wands. So it's building your foundation. It's a fear of recognition, or also the hope, but you're on the fence with this. Clarify the Tower and the hopes and fears for Aquarius. Why is the Tower here? The Tower is clarified by the Hierophant, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Fool. The Hierophant is your core values, Aquarius, your upbringing, spiritual beliefs. Wheel of Fortune and the Fool, taking a leap of faith, a chance on luck. There is a fear here, Aquarius. And I'm getting that fear of abandonment. Didn't we have the five in your strengths? That Five of Pentacles. Being left out in the cold. Secrets revealed. I'm getting a fear of your spiritual beliefs, Aquarius. It's like people who go through like trauma. It's like being mad at the world. Being mad at God for like not being there to protect you. And it's your belief, like you were left out. It's your self-worth, Aquarius. Okay. Clarify the Six of Wands and the hopes and fears for Aquarius. Okay. Six of Wands is clarified by the Devil, the Knight of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, Aquarius. What I'm getting from it's a fear of like tapping into your spiritual beliefs. This could be someone who has gone through trauma and they feel like they were not protected, like God, Spirit, Source, like they were not there for them. So they could have turned their back on their spiritual beliefs. Because you got this Devil energy as well with the Knight of Cups and everything needing to be aligned. It's like the Devil attached to your emotions. Your emotions are blocked with Devil energy and this fear. Taking a chance. Like I said, I'm not very religious, but I'm going to say it's taking a chance on God. Taking the leap of faith to move away from pain, Devil energy, past like idolizations of self, your worth, your purpose, what you have gone through, what you are here for. It's a feeling of it's like being forsaken and being mad at God and the world. And then it's looking like the fear, like why this site, I'm getting this, okay. The fear of moving forward is letting go of that pain of being forsaken or left out in the cold, not worthy. But that's devil energy holding you back, Aquarius. It's false. It's lies. And it's you needing to take a chance, Aquarius, on your spiritual beliefs, your upbringing, your past. It's letting Spirit and God in, Aquarius, to be able to open up your emotions. Okay. Let's look into the overall outcome with that 8 of Swords. That's the feeling of being trapped. It's overthinking. But we also had that somewhere else, didn't we? You had the 8 of Swords twice. Where are you? Didn't you? 8 of Swords. Ah, yeah, in your main focus. And it's with your past. Past memories, family, friends, connections. But the tower's falling, Aquarius. So now it's you needing to build. But for you to build, it's letting God in. Letting Spirit in. And trusting that they are there to protect and not harm. It's like you could have had this feeling of being left and forsaken by your spiritual beliefs or something, so you turned your back. And now it's trusting and going with this and trying to have a different mindset on this. Wow, okay. Clarify the 8 of Swords and the most likely outcome for Aquarius. Okay. The 8 of Swords is clarified by that 6 of Wands in reverse, the 3 of Cups, and the Hermit. Now that 3 of Cups in your past was that confusion and illusions on moving forward with your passions, creativity, and actually taking action and building something. The Hermit, that's Virgo energy. It's going into those dark places. In your strengths position, you had that moon reversed. It's secrets revealed about being left out in the cold. And then that 3 of Cups, a celebration. Oh, Aquarius. All right. You know, I've talked about this before, about being called out in my readings. Because Aquarius is my moon sign. It's where my emotions lie. And trying to stay calm, cool, and collective on camera when you are being called out by your own reading. And it's why I'm getting this strong feeling of trauma in the past, blaming God, blaming Spirit for not being there. And it's moving away from that. And letting God back in. Seven of Swords. Secrets. Lies. Deceit. Oh, Aquarius. So it's getting back to God, Spirit, Gaia, whoever. It's someone who left their faith because of pain and trauma. And it's trying to gain that power back. And unchaining yourself from that devil energy and that old mindset. Closing that cycle. Okay. Let's look into advice from the universe moving forward. So it's the ending of a cycle, Aquarius. It's like there's a call. You have a calling to move away from pain, heartbreak. But it's you also coming in to recognition and power. And becoming the teacher, the Hierophant. The student becoming the teacher. Answering the call to show them. But it's you needing to detach from this past toxic devil energy, like past thoughts of self, your worth, your purpose. Okay. Advice moving forward for Aquarius on their path. What does Aquarius need to know? Bottom of the deck, the King of Pentacles. Action in the physical. So you've gone from the King of Pentacles reversed in that overall to the King of Pentacles upright. Needing to take action. And now you got the King of Wands reversed. Ace of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles reversed. And you had the Eight of Pentacles in your surrounding energy too. It's balancing this, Aquarius. It's balancing your passions, your emotions, and past feelings of self, religion. I'm getting back to your faith, Aquarius. Letting God, Spirit, Source back in. Because I get this feeling of being left out in the cold. It's forsaken. It's not being protected. It's like they turned a blind eye. And it's like you could have looked to your faith for protection and health and you didn't find it. So you turned your back and you went into the darkness, like the caves, and you stayed there. And now it's you finding your way out. But it's like now that you're right at the entrance of the cave, you see the light at the end of the tunnel. But it's having the fear of stepping into the light and leaving that darkness and pain. Okay. Oh, Aquarius. Let's dive this down and get messages and guidance from ancestors. Let's see what ancestors have to say for Aquarius moving forward. Call upon ancestors, spirit guides. Please watch over Aquarius with unconditional love. Please guide these messages with our unconditional trust. Please watch over Aquarius on their path of spiritual growth. Thank you, ancestors and spirit guides. We appreciate you. Messages for Aquarius moving forward. What do ancestors need Aquarius to know? Be thankful. Gratitude, appreciation, and harmony. Okay. Aquarius. The Balinese philosophy of life is called Trihita Karana. Tri means three, Hita means happy, and Karana means way. And together they describe three ways to be happy, or three causes of well-being. The first cause, Parhangan, refers to the harmonious relationship between humans and their gods. Being called, okay. Parangan also links when three good behaviors which teach people to think good, speak good, and apply good manners. The second cause refers to harmonious relationships between people. This teaching is about being respectful of others and maintaining good relationships. The third cause refers to the harmonious relationship between people and the environment. To maintain harmony in all three areas of the Trihita Karana, the Balinese people express gratitude in their daily activities through prayer and offerings to their deities. To live in harmony with other people, the Balinese share food with and make offerings to their neighbors, showing their gratitude to foster peaceful relationships. To maintain environmental harmony and balance, they give thanks to the plants and nature around them. They also try to keep balance in their environment. Ancestors speak. In this busy world, it can be hard to remember to appreciate the positives. This card is a reminder of how important it is to appreciate your loved ones, both past and present. Even though there are difficult times, try to be grateful for the lessons the challenges have taught you. Wisdom can come from hardship. The tough times have made you the resourceful and resilient person you are today. Appreciate the food, shelter, clothing, water, clean air you have access to each day. Connect with your family, friends, and loved ones. Love them for who they are. Do something you enjoy and be grateful for the pleasure it brings into your life. Also remember to say thank you to the universe and your spirit guides for all their help. Okay, Aquarius. It's forgiveness, Aquarius. Being thankful that you are still here. You've made it through. You've made it through the chaos. And it's finding your way back to self, spirit, God, source. It's forgiveness for the parent not being there, not protecting you, or it's stepping back into faith. and going inward and seeing what you have gone through, what it has taught you, the strength it has given you, the lessons you have learned. And now it's this calling to teach others and step into that power and learn forgiveness, getting back to self and God. And I'm going to say God. So be thankful, Aquarius, that you are still here. You've made it through the storm. You've made it through darkness, pain, heartbreak, devil energy. It's taking the path that only demons and angels dare to tread. I'm getting this, it's the story of like God and the devil playing chess. And it's who are you going to let win? Choose today who you will serve. So this is what I have for you, Aquarius. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, be sure to hit a like button. Send me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post your next reading. Love and light, Aquarius. Have a good one. Bye.